Very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. In first chapter, we have completed first topic, history of trade and commerce. Today we are going to start the second part of this chapter, business. The content which you can see on your screen will be covered in today's video. First, we will start with business concept. All human beings, wherever they require to perform some or other activity to satisfy their needs. As we know that human needs are unlimited. Yes, to satisfy their needs, they have to perform some activities. They pursue different occupations to earn livelihood and to get some psychological satisfaction. Now, to satisfy their needs, they have to perform some activities. Yes, so they pursue occupations to earn livelihood. Yes, by which they can earn, and with earned money, they can satisfy their needs and they will get psychological satisfaction. Activities which human beings undertake are known as human activities. Yes, whatever the activities they are conducting are known as human activities. Some of these activities are undertaken to earn money, but others are performed to derive personal satisfaction. Now, all human activities are categorized in two parts. Yes, some activities perform to earn money, yes, by which they will earn, and some other activities which are performed for personal satisfaction. Yes, for performing such activities they are not going to earn money. On examination of the human activities, one can find that some of these activities produce direct economic benefits, like working in office, running a shop, practicing as a doctor. Yes, by performing all these activities, person can earn money. Yes, so such activities are known as economic activities. Yes, they will get direct economic benefits, while others do not produce direct economic benefits. Some other activities where they will not earn, yes, that will not give economic benefits, like cooking, playing, going to school, going to temple. Yes, for all these activities person will not earn. Yes, there is no direct economic benefits. इस चैप्टर में जो सेकेंड पार्ट है वो बिजनेस से रिलेटेड है. सो वी विल स्टडी अबाउट बिजनेस. यस, अब जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि ह्यूमन की नीड्स अनलिमिटेड होती है. यस, सो उस अनलिमिटेड नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए पर्सन को बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ कंडक्ट करनी पड़ती है. येस, दे हैव टू परफॉर्म नंबर ऑफ़ एक्टिविटीज़. अब वो जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ परफॉर्म हो रही है उसको हम दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. एक ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ जिसको परफॉर्म करने के बाद कुछ अर्निंग होगी. येस, पर्सन विल अर्न समथिंग. एंड सम अदर एक्टिविटीज़ वेयर पर्सन विल नॉट अर्न. वहाँ पे पर्सन को कुछ अर्निंग नहीं होगी, पर हाँ उसको कुछ साइकोलॉजिकल सेटिस्फेक्शन होगा. अब ऐसी एक्टिविटी जहाँ पे कुछ इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट होता है, जैसे कि कुछ मनी रिवॉर्ड मिला, यस, कुछ अर्निंग हुई, जैसे कि वर्किंग इन ऑफिस. अगर कोई पर्सन ऑफिस में काम कर रहा है सो ऑब्वियसली दैट पर्सन विल गेट सैलरी. यस, रनिंग अ शॉप, अगर कोई पर्सन अपनी शॉप चला रहा है तो वो वहाँ पे कुछ अर्न करेगा. यस, प्रैक्टिसिंग एज ए डॉक्टर, अगर कोई डॉक्टर है तो उसकी भी अर्निंग है. सो इन दीज एक्टिविटीज़ पर्सन विल अर्न. यस, देयर इज़ direct economic benefit, but some other activities where person will not get direct economic benefits. वहाँ पे person को कुछ economic benefit नहीं होगा. जैसे कि घर पे कोई कुकिंग कर रहा है, then प्लेइंग, अगर कोई खेलने जा रहा है, कोई स्कूल जा रहा है, yes, गोइंग टू टेम्पल, यहाँ पे कोई भी रिवॉर्ड या कोई भी इकोनॉमिक रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिलेगा. Person will not earn. Yes, but if any person cooks at any other person's house to earn something, so that will be considered as economic activity where that person will get reward in terms of money. So this was about the introduction of business. Now, types of human activities. As we know, human activities are categorized in two parts. Yes, first activity where person will get monetary benefit, that is economic activity. Yes, that is for earning purpose. And second, non-economic activities where person will not earn. Yes, that is just for satisfaction. हमारी ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ टू पार्ट में कैटेगराइज्ड है, जो फर्स्ट इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ है जहाँ पे कुछ अर्निंग होगी, और दूसरी नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी जहाँ पे कुछ अर्निंग नहीं है, कुछ मनी रिवॉर्ड नहीं है, बट सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए परफॉर्म की जाती है. नाउ इन दिस वीडियो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़. Activities which are undertaken by people with the object of earning money are known as economic activities. ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ जो परफॉर्म की जाती है कुछ अर्निंग मोटिव से, yes, where person will earn something. So those activities are known as economic activities. These activities are concerned with production, exchange and distribution of goods and services. Now, which activities are included in economic activities? Like production, if any person produce goods, so that person will get reward, yes. Or exchange and distribution of goods and services, if any person runs medical store, so that person will sell medicines and earn profit from that, yes. So these activities are economic activities. The purpose of economic activities should be expectation of money income, which is used for further creation of wealth or asset. Now, what is the purpose of economic activities? As we know, it is for money reward, yes, for expectation of money income, yes. ऐसी activities perform की जाती है कुछ earn करने के लिए, yes, to earn money, and then such money will be used for creation of wealth और assets. जो भी अर्निंग हो रही है उससे पर्सन अपनी वेल्थ क्रिएट कर सकता है. दैट पर्सन कैन परचेज असेट्स, यस. बेसिकली दैट पर्सन कैन सेटिस्फाई अनलिमिटेड नीड्स. नाउ हियर आर सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़. Production of goods in factory, yes, if any person produce goods in factory, so that person will sell products and earn money for that. Then distribution of goods by wholesaler or retailer, yes, by selling goods they are also earning. Then working in a factory, the person who is working in a factory as worker or as an employee, that person will earn. Then practicing as a doctor, lawyer, yes, those professionals who are giving services and earning something, yes. Then working as a teacher in school, the one who is working as teacher, that person will earn money. So these are examples of economic activities. Now, types of economic activities. Economic activities can be divided into three categories. First, business. Second, profession. And third, employment. Now we will study all these three in detail. First, business. Business refers to those economic activities which are connected with the production, purchase, sell or distribution of goods and services with the main objective of earning profit. Now, what is business? Business is an economic activity, yes, but it is connected with production, purchase or sell or distribution of goods and services with the motive of earning profit. ऐसी activities जहाँ पे motive profit का है, yes, they have to earn profit. For that they are producing goods. अगर कोई manufacturer है वो goods produce करके sell कर रहा है, so that person will earn something, yes. Then purchase or sell of or distribution of goods or services, like I had given you example, yes, अगर कोई मेडिकल स्टोर वाला है तो वो मेडिसिन परचेज करके सेल कर रहा है, yes. सो दैट इज़ काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस. बेसिकली द पर्सन हु इज़ रनिंग ओन शॉप, yes, that is business. Here are some examples. Fishing, mining, farming, manufacturing, wholesale, etc. are example of business. Then second is profession. Profession refers to the activities which require special knowledge and skill to be applied by an individual in his work to earn living, to earn money. Yes, now profession requires special knowledge and skill. Yes, the person must have some special knowledge and skill which will be applied by rendering service. Yes, and by rendering service that person will earn money. प्रोफेशन वो है जहाँ पे एक पर्सन के पास कोई स्पेशल स्किल नॉलेज है. येस, देन दैट पर्सन इज रेंडरिंग सर्विसेज. By giving service they will earn money. Yes, these activities are subject to guidelines or code of conduct laid down by professional bodies. अब जो भी प्रोफेशंस होते हैं उसकी एक प्रोफेशनल बॉडी, एक एसोसिएशन होता है जो कुछ रूल्स रेगुलेशंस बनाता है. Yes, so whatever the regulations, rules, code of conduct laid down by such association or professional bodies must be followed by professionals. जैसे कि अगर हम CA की बात करें तो CA का एसोसिएशन क्या है? ICAI. Yes, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया. सो ये जो एसोसिएशन कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट ले डाउन कर रहा है या जो भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस दिए जा रहे हैं वो हर प्रोफेशन को फॉलो करने हैं. यस, द पीपल हु आर एंगेज्ड इन प्रोफेशंस आर नोन एज प्रोफेशनल्स. जो भी कुछ प्रोफेशन से जुड़े हुए हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे? प्रोफेशनल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, lawyers are professionals engaged in the legal profession governed by the Bar Council of India. जो लॉयर का प्रोफेशन है, yes, उसका एसोसिएशन क्या है? बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया. yes, then doctors are professionals who are in the medical profession and are governed by medical council of India. If we talk about doctors, so they are also professionals. yes, और उनका एसोसिएशन कौन सा है? मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया. सो दिस वे professionals work as per guidelines of professional bodies. Yes, their association. Then employment. Employment refers to an activity in which an individual works regularly for another person and gets remunerated in return. Now, what is employment? Employment is also economic activity where any person is working under another person. कोई person अगर किसी और person के under में काम कर रहा है और बदले में उसको कुछ remuneration मिल रहा है, that is known as employment. Yes, those who are employed by others are known as employees. अब यहाँ पे दो person है. First person जो head है, जो दूसरे पर्सन को उसके अंडर में अपॉइंट कर रहा है. येस, सो दोज हु आर वर्किंग अंडर द हेड पर्सन आर नोन एज एम्प्लॉयज़. सो अगर यहाँ पे जो भी पर्सन काम कर रहे हैं उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? एम्प्लॉयज़. द पर्सन हु एंगेज अदर्स टू वर्क रेगुलरली फॉर देम आर नोन एज एम्प्लॉयर्स. अब जिसने इन तीनों को हायर किया है, द हेड पर्सन, द वन हु इज़ ओनर, हु इज़ गिविंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू अदर्स, वो दूसरे लोगों को अपने फर्म में जॉब पे हायर कर रहा है. यस, सो दैट पर्सन इज नोन एज एम्प्लॉयर्स. द रेम्यूनरेशन पेड बाय एम्प्लॉयर टू एम्प्लॉय इज नोन एज सैलरी और वेज. यहाँ पे पर्सन को जॉब के बाद जो रिवॉर्ड मिल रहा है, जो मॉनेटरी रिवॉर्ड है, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? सैलरी और वेज. Now generally wage is paid to workers. Yes, those who are working in factory as labor, and salary for employees. Now here are some examples of employment. Working in offices. The person who is working in office will get salary. Yes, or that person is working in bank or insurance company or any other person's shop, or working as manager, clerk, peon, salesman, etc. Yes, so the person who is hired by any other person. अगर कोई person किसी और person के अंडर में काम कर रहा है और उसको बदले में मॉनेटरी रिवॉर्ड में सैलरी या वेज मिल रहा है, सो दैट इज़ नोन एज एम्प्लॉयमेंट. आई होप दिस टॉपिक इज़ क्लियर टू यू. Now, the overview of all 3 points. Business where person is working by himself. The person is owner. वो मैन्युफैक्चरर भी हो सकता है या खुद की शॉप भी रन कर सकता है. यस, सो दैट इज़ नोन एज बिजनेस. प्रोफेशन क्या है, तो उसके लिए स्पेशल नॉलेज स्किल चाहिए. लाइक डॉक्टर्स कैन ओपन देयर ओन क्लिनिक. यस, बट दे हैव टू अक्वायर द स्किल एंड नॉलेज ऑफ doctors. So that is known as professions. They are not working under any other person. Yes, they are rendering services by their own. Yes, then employment where person is working under some other person. अगर कोई पर्सन किसी और पर्सन के अंडर में जॉब कर रहा है तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, एम्प्लॉयमेंट. I hope all the points are clear to you. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me.